Welcome to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we'll learn how to add tables and charts to make your slides clear, professional, and easy to understand. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and moving to the slide where you want to show information. If you need a new slide, go to the Insert tab, click New Slide, and choose a layout with content. To insert a table, click the small table icon in the content placeholder or go to Insert, then Table. A grid will appear. Drag across it to select the number of rows and columns you need. Once the table appears, click the top left cell and type your first heading. Move through the cells using the Tab key and enter your data. Use the Table Design tab to apply a style that fits your presentation. Choose a header row style and use banded rows for alternating colors. To adjust cell size and alignment, use the Layout tab. Next, let's add a chart. Click the chart icon in the content box or go to Insert, then Chart. Choose the chart type that matches your data, column, line, pie, or bar. When the Excel window opens, replace the sample data with your own. The chart will automatically update in PowerPoint. Use the Chart Design tab to change the chart layout, colors, and style. Add chart elements like axis titles, data labels, and a legend. Keep the design clean, avoid unnecessary 3D effects or too many colors. If needed, combine a table and chart on the same slide to show both details and visuals. Finally, check that your chart text is large and easy to read. Save your presentation. You've successfully added and customized tables and charts. Thanks for watching Full Course Online. Keep learning and improving your PowerPoint skills with our next tutorials.